going to be missing seniors, and that's always hard.
It was just an awesome experience working with him.
He's a good guy in general, maybe a little distracted sometimes.
He's a really good leader. The drivetrain's done amazing this year because of it. He's always been a really hard worker, really good at problem solving and working with people.
A bubble of excitement.
Motivator.
Very good at talking with people, particularly in complete strangers that she has no common bond with.
Took the idea of being positive and enthusiastic to heart.
Robotics is awesome.
He has grown so much over this year.
Well, I try to interact with him, but he's too busy to interact.
He's went from somebody who you might have to watch a little bit to see if he's still going to be in line to being somebody who is now in charge of others.
Patrick Lochran, drink your milk.
Got milk? Patrick's answer? No.
Okay. I'm going to jump over this railing and fall down a flight of stairs or two and land on a step and shatter my ankle. Good job.
A very quiet person, but very detail-oriented.
He does the accounting. He's always bugging me to watch Metropolis, which he says is the greatest film ever made.
He has helped develop a way for our team to stay in the black as opposed to where we've often been, which is on the edge of going into the red or in the red.
He's always willing to jump in there and take care of projects that are needed to be done.
John did a wonderful job of writing up a really good piece of work in submitting a grant application.
Wrote and won a grant for $5,000, which is just stellar.
I feel a good sense of accomplishment.
He has matured and become a leader as opposed to a follower or a doer of what's said to be done.
He did a great job putting together the field for the mini regional, and he's in charge of the Vermonster, which is this giant Ben and Jerry's like ice cream challenge.
Oh, he has minions.
He's like a leader. I consider him a leader.
Lots and lots of minions.
Knows when to be sarcastic, knows when to enforce certain laws. Whenever I go down there to the shop, he's always working or telling other people to work.
I've seen him mentor underclassmen and show them the ropes and basically help build the team for future years, even though he's going to be gone next year.
Very ambitious and a good leader, asset to the whole outfit.
Sean Simon, man, that kid is hilarious. Like, I spent a day with him walking around dude, he's just hilarious to be around.
He's kind of a troublemaker. He's one of the nicest ones.
He definitely had a lot of specialist knowledge on chains.
Lord of the Rings, you know the character Gandalf? I kind of feel like him.
Yeah! Alex has matured.
Good voice, good neck at speaking, and does really well rallying the troops.
He's a sweetie. I love him a lot.
He's my best friend. I found him at Robotics. He hated me at first though, because I was bigger and I was dating his ex-girlfriend.
He has a ton of energy and team spirit.
Hope you have a great future as you look forward to college and whatever else you choose to do. I know you'll be very successful.
He puts in a lot of effort and a lot of work into the website.
He is good with the website.
Hunter has jumped in to a project that wasn't his own to start with, the webpage.
Very commendable.
Was a driving force behind making it the way it is this year.
He started with the web team and he's been with that every year since.
Built the website before I did, so he's kind of the original web man on the team.
I try to bug him a little bit so he actually talks and actually gets involved with the people instead of just the team.
We've had so many different web pages over the last few years, all of them based on something different with different looks, different backgrounds, different ideas behind them. And Taryn has been the driving force behind each of these.
Oh, he did a really good job programming during the season, and also Sean helped make a ranking system at competition that rank all the teams, and it actually kind of matched up with what happened in the competition.
When I first met Sean, he was eager to get involved in
setting up the driver's station. So we worked with him a couple different nights and came up with some nice designs for our what turned out to be our double-decker driver's station.
He did a really good job helping out other people.
Emily, senior this year. Good to have you on the team. We had a great year, and you especially kept everyone really organized as the Chief Administration Officer. Great job putting together all the paperwork we needed for shipping and some of the other things. Hope you have a really good future. Looking out forward to whatever you choose to do.
Lewis tries hard. Very smart. He works hard. I mean, he always makes sure that we have a good working robot and we have a good design. But when a robot does well, a lot of the credit should go to him because he is so actively involved with everything that deals with that stuff.
What I'm gonna miss most is the chance to work on a new project every year, like a new challenge on a regular basis, because I don't even know if you can get that in the engineering field, just the high-paced, fun challenge in the workshop.
He's the Alex Jabe of the manipulator team, I think.
Me and my friend Rebecca walked in and we didn't really know anyone because it was the first day, but so we just kind of sat down at a table by ourselves. And then Louis Chapdelaine and I think Joel Lynch just came up and sat next to us, and that was really surprising because we didn't know them and they just started talking to us, so it was like, it just was a really friendly atmosphere, and I just thought that was really nice of them.
Good luck and try and keep it simple.